Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a...
Well, we did it. We freaking did it. We booked 3 nights at the Yacht and Beach Club. I know, this is crazy. We have no more money. We ran out of money.
It feels a lot nicer and less chaotic in here when there isn't storms going on.
That's true. Last time we were here, there was a big storm. You know what storm's going on right now is our bank account. And as far as college goes, Salem, I'm glad you've decided not to go because, yeah, we can't afford that anymore. Welcome to Disney's Yacht and Beach Club. Actually, this wasn't like insane. And that depends on what your level of insane is, but today is Memorial Day and we decided to come today instead of trying to pay all the crazy room rates over the weekend and include today. So we're actually taking advantage of some days off during the week, but come check it out. Here we go. So here is the aftermath of our stay and a final review of the room. I like to give these after we've slept in the beds to be able to tell you guys what we think, right? That's an important part anytime that you're staying at a resort or a hotel. You guys will notice that we've got all the sheets and bedding and everything off. We strip the beds, we do that. That's just something we do every time that we leave a hotel. Hotel etiquette, that's what I call that. All right, so first things first, the beds. Very, very comfortable. I think it's a spring bed, but there must be a pillow top. Yeah, there's a pillow top on here. Great beds, probably the best beds that I have slept on at a Disney resort. Really, really, really felt like I slept good. So the fifth sleeper is interesting. It's not like a traditional bed. This, by the way, pretty comfortable, nice to have in the room, right, Harlow? Just chill out, and you can see how big it is. But you pull this lever, ding, and it releases. Bing. So you can see for a 6-year-old, plenty of room, huge. Ian slept on here, and what would you say? Comfortable?
Kind of.
Kind of is okay. You slept good. You never complained. So that's a nice little functionality.
As a large family who is in need of space, this is great because it gives us that extra bed without taking up room in the room. Normally with the fifth sleepers, you pull them down and it makes it awkward for getting in and out of your bed in the morning. If you're heading to the bathroom, whatever it is, it hangs out into the walkway. And with this bed folding out the way that it does, it is entirely functional and not taking away from anything in the room.
A couple things I wanted to point out. We pointed this out, these lights for evening book readers or anybody that just wants some light on their side of the bed. We pointed these out at Coronado. Love those. Lots of drawer space in this room, guys. These look like little tiny drawers. Obviously, these top 3 are, but these are decent size. And because you get a lot of them, plenty of drawer space for us, a family of 6. You got this area, you can put shoes and things like that. It did have the extra pillow and blankets for the fifth sleeper. Not only do you have the dresser drawers, but you've got this closet. And as you can see, plenty of hangers, plenty of space to hang up some stuff, a full-length mirror to the right-hand side here. And to the adjacent next to that, you've got more cubby space for backpacks, laptops, shoes, all kinds of stuff. I mean, this is a room that just gives you, look at this, more storage over here next to this. You got a safety lock box, a folded up ironing board, and iron. You got all the space you'll ever need. And one thing I didn't point out earlier was on the drapes here, you've got stars. Here's Humanus Midas, Hercules, Horseus Wingus, Lioness Regalis. Look, that's Flounder right there, but there's a Little Mermaid. The kids loved looking at that. Once they discovered it, they just kind of went over every single thing. And the patio, real quick, is decent size. And I like that they got the walls up between each patio. Makes it a little more private. We did not have a nice view. It's, hey, right back there you can see, that is the Swan and Dolphin Hotel, or as we like to call it, the Koi and Swan Hotel, because I don't know what kind of dolphin they think their statue is. It looks like a koi fish. But you got a walkway down here. There's another pole on this side. But it's not an awful view. It's just not much of one. So, but we did drink our coffee out there this morning. That was nice. You've got two sets. You've got shears, so you can still have sunlight in and change if you need to, do anything like that. You do have a desk. You've got a fat guy waving in the background. And one thing that we absolutely love about this room is the many USB ports. I mean, they're everywhere. You cannot come in here and not be able to find a charging port. I love this little table off to the side of the bed. The wall socket has the USB ports and of course standard plugs, but that's great. Okay, the bad. No ceiling fan. That kind of sucks. This has to be the noisiest hotel, and I don't know, maybe it's just the room that we stayed in, but we could hear a lot, and we thankfully brought our noise machine. Hi. And that masked a lot of it, but I could hear people next door, I could hear people upstairs, I could hear people over here, and for a hotel like this, that's kind of disappointing. Still recommend it, highly recommend it. I think it's a great location. The pool, the employees, everything about this hotel, A+. And again, the beds, right? I mean, if you can sleep comfortably, as long as you've got something kind of mask that, you'll do well. Anyway, you get some storage down here. You've got some extra towels, which I loved. There were plenty of towels. I pointed this out earlier. They're over here. There was 4 towels here. We've got them on the floor now. Shower's decent. I will close by saying this. They came in, we stayed here for 3 nights, and they came in the second night, redid the bedding, cleaned the floor, because this is the Yacht and Beach Club. The pool has sand, and the floor was full of sand from the kids playing at the beach area downstairs. And they came in, they cleaned everything up. It was wonderful. It was nice to come in and have a clean room. They even took some of the kids' stuffed animals and put them on the bed. It was cute. So they've done it at other hotels before, but just something I wanted to point out here. So yeah, all in all, great hotel. I would say I personally give it a 9 out of 10. The only complaint is really that it is sort of noisy. But if you can get past that, and that's something that doesn't bother you, you will not be disappointed in this place. It's got everything you need between the Yacht Club and the Beach Club. Huge facility and tons of things for the kids to do. We filmed Beaches and Cream last time we were here. I'll put that up right here. The pool area is amazing. I did not get any footage of that, but there are plenty of videos out there that you can check out. We did not want to make this an entire trip of vlogging, but I do like sharing the rooms with you guys because it seems that you guys really like those. So appreciate it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and go check out some of our other videos. And that's it. Yeah, Disney's Yacht and Beach Club. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Like my
Be good
only
to one.
confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.